What's up, madlang people? Naman tayo sa another unboxing. I've received it a couple days ago. Pero ngayon na yung panahon para maka-open tayo. So this is coming out like as you can see, like a race face. Open me up, I'm ready to ride. Pero this is coming up from ridefox.ca. So reason behind is simply I just want the other color, pero kakabili ko lang nung right before New Year, pero binenta ko dahil kasi mas maganda yung kulay nung excuse me, release nila. So this one sorry about that. Kung anong itsura nito. It's a shirt with the coil. This is a Fox large shirt. Coil ulit. And this is the coil tee in mustard. Size large. So, okay sa akin. So, up to the reason why we're doing the unboxing is because of this Tailgate pad. So it's new edition from Fox Canada, Fox.ca. So this is the Overland Tailgate in warehouse color. So yun pala yung marka ng Fox. It's a little gray. Hindi na nakalagay ng Fox Factory kasi yun yung una. So I drive a 2015 F-150 and I like this color because it just matches the dust or the mud that goes in. Kasi pagka black, it just surely pops up. So this way, at least it gets like camouflage. At least. So yeah, I can open it up and then maybe I can follow up with a video on how to put on, but as I could probably tell, there's a lot of videos on how to put in the actual tailgate pad on. So yeah, you got a nice thick material. So, matawag dito sa ano niya. So, you got your Fox logo on here. And then, I've shown you earlier that the big Fox on the diagonal position. Big foam sides here for the stanchions. It's additional support. Then you get like customizable 2 panels here. So when like it varies with your full-size trucks camera, the actual tailgate opener, so you can do your own custom paneling for that. And then each comes with straps to hold down your down tube. Okay, continue natin yung video because my battery went dead and carry on with the unboxing review nito tailgate pad, which is the Overland Fox Overland warehouse color. Big paddings. Like PVC tarpaulin, durable. It's made up of most of the which have raised it, and then you have the brace bumpers for the stanchions, which is made up of 6 heights. You have your adjustable straps for your down tube. That's what mine. And brush lining. It's good. So protects you from being abrasive with your tailgate. I have a couple windows here, couple panels to maximize the on board. There we go. How it's installed. Hurrah! So here's the finished product, installed already on my 2015 F-150. Yeah, so this foam, like this foam, big foams are lined up with the top tailgate, along with the foams that goes against the down tube of the bike. Has to align with the top inside of the tailgate. So as you can tell, I loosely fitted on the 4 straps. It goes around the tailgate up until I got them on. Tapos started fitting up or conforming the size of the tailgate shape. Kasi sa akin medyo palaki yung pagitna kasi I have a tailgate pattern. That's how 2015 F-150s and above are made out of. So yeah, after that, tighten the straps from the top and then the bottom, and then I went to place the couple panels here. So it's just enough for the camera to peek through. Pero once all 6 bikes are loaded, you can't see anything. One thing that I did or did notice from the predecessor of this one, same thing, it's just a different design. It has a Fox Factory label on this, 2nd gen. Yung mismong pad niya, like this one, I should have placed it on here because otherwise it was rubbing against the stanchion of the bike, one of the bikes. So thought I'd leave it in there, and then I had it all custom fitted, ready to go. So every time that I go on shuttling with my friends, it's on already. Yun lang. It's just a little hard to conform on this top, but otherwise this section is good. This one too. Yun na lang. Siguro they should have added another strap on here, right in the middle. Would have been good. Pretty much how it looked like. A good contrast with my red track. Tapos see if I can load my Norco range on it so that you can see. Okay, let's do a trial on loading my bike. There we go. That's the second section. That one was this side. Rotor should be pointing out. Yeah. So it's not sitting alright because of the shotgun seat. Kasi yung mismong pedal niya is resting on top of the tailgate, but otherwise that's how it looks like. It's bang onto the slot foam right there, and it's a down tube. As you have the strap, which is under right there. You can go a looper that loops around to hold the top tube. Of course, it's not sinking right now, but as you can see, it's well padded. But on the stanchion, most likely will turn. Yeah, stick it some more. But how it look like. Wala lang yung shotgun seat. Yeah. That's how you fit on your bike. And of course, you can hold up to 6. Pero I have to modify and taking out my tailgate extender in order to make room for the other bikes. Pero I can fit like a good 3 or 4 bikes with the tailgate extender on. So yeah, thanks for watching. Follow me on here with my channels, Pagigero and Deadpool F-150 for more biking and truck stuff. So especially on F-150. There you go. Hope this helps, and this is the first look of the warehouse color for the brand new Overland Fox tailgate pad. Peace and see you on the trip. So one more thing, just in case you're wondering how it looked like kapag ganun yung modification sa likod ng tailgate pad with the little opening. Yan, ganyan yung window. So it's enough to peek through, pero you're not gonna be backing up a lot when doing shuttling, except if it's like close to the side. So ganyan.